My sentiments exactly. Kitchen chemistry's got to be the way to go here. My recipe calls for a deep cooking pot, a dash of pest control, 4 measured cups of soap flakes, all garnished with tile cleaner and left to steep.
I mean, it was all perfectly simple. All of a sudden, spying and stealing and jewelry and,
I wasn't spying.
What do you call it?
Now what I need is a time delay fuse.
Dance hall extortion.
A healthy ladle of lard will do for starters.
Secret information.
Covered with a single layer of newspaper. Sprinkled with crystal of oven cleaner. And all left to marinate under a soft flow of natural gas.
So, I do want the ring back, and I also want your accomplice, Mr. MacGyver.
He's not my accomplice.
There's no use to lie, Penny. I know about him. You used me. The two of you were working together as spies.
I'm not a spy. We met for the first time at the airport. I was just standing in the
If that is true, he has nothing to fear from us, and neither do you. You can speak out freely. Where is he?
Right here.
Mr. MacGyver, I commend you. May I take this as a surrender?
Not just yet.
Look outside the window. Give up?
Sorta.
The building is surrounded.
Well, I certainly would hope so, or you wouldn't be doing your job.
Then you must also know that there is no escape for you. It's over. The information that was passed on to you, I take that now, please.
No, I don't think so.
I'm not a man who likes violence, Mr. MacGyver.
That's great. Neither do I.
Move away, Penny.
What are you gonna do?
Well, the cliche thing to be done here is for him to blow my kneecaps off.
If necessary.
Are you both crazy?
Come on, Froloff, let her go. She's told you the truth, and capturing me, an enemy of the state, ought to be enough, right?
What have you done?
Burnt the roast. Sorry. Penny, grab a bathrobe. We'll mingle with the tenants. A bathrobe. I thought I said a bathrobe.
This is the nicest one I have. There's Stefan's car.